want to save this state, yes or no? Do you want to stand for the right of these people, yes or no?
Haduh kakat pratarik unai wing hajar puar kiladon silak ngut kiblarung Dkhot hakaseng TMC Meghalaya. U General Secretary ka TMC u Abhishek Banerjee ula ai kublei ya ka Meghalaya TMC. Kani ka shimpor sau penai na 12 dang ya ka jingpenrung Dkhot na ki kendiat spa ngut mensua kani ka lapen kemen ya kinong yalam ka parti.
Do you want to be with Trinamool, yes or no? Do you want to fight for the people of Meghalaya, yes or no? Do you want to save this state, yes or no? Do you want to stand for the right of these people, yes or no? If you want to stand for the people, if you want to fight for the people, if you want to uproot this government, and if you want to teach them a lesson, my friends, Trinamool is the platform, and two flowers is your symbol. Don't mix it up with any other party. I, as a General Secretary, I'm committing to each one of you that every vote for Trinamool Congress, we will take it as your love and blessings. And come what may, every soldier of Trinamool is going to work tirelessly for the next 5 years in your service and will not be cowed down before the autocratic forces sitting in Delhi. And we will not, at the end of the day, let me assure and reiterate that we will not let your mandate be betrayed, come what may. This is my commitment, Mamata Banerjee's commitment, and the party's commitment to each one of you. And 4 months back, when we started this membership drive, we started with few hundreds. Today we have become a big, humongous family with 1 lakh active member. That calls for a big round of applause.